about the weather right now. So Jen, we're waking up. It's drizzly. It feels a little cooler.
Just want to stay in bed, Jen.
That's exactly right.
Drink some thick hot cocoa.
It's a thing, Jen.
It is a thing. I went to Switzerland, and that's exactly how it was.
Yep.
Is we went to a place specifically for chocolate, and so they were famous for their chocolate strawberries, and like it was liquid chocolate that they poured on them, and then the thick hot chocolate that you're talking about, Chelsea. It is a thing.
We'll have to try it. We'll see if we can make it.
Just a trip to Europe. That's all it takes.
It sounds like Hershey's syrup without any milk in it.
No, it's better.
Yeah.
It's like a rich, really rich.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll try and make it for Joe. That way he can check it out. Let's go ahead and talk more about your forecast right now. And again, as mentioned, it's gray. It's gloomy out there. It's not the prettiest to start off for this morning. So it's really just more of that sleep in weather, especially with some of the cloud cover that we're seeing and also those foggy conditions. If you haven't stepped out the door lately, especially in case you're going to be traveling over the Bayway, just be cautious that you will start to see some of that fog out there, especially as you get closer towards the Mobile River and downtown Mobile. But here's a look at satellite and radar. We are turning much more widespread with some of those showers. Now, not all of it is going to be some of that heavy rainfall. Some of it is that light rainfall to moderate, and even some of that heavy portions there beginning to extend closer towards Monroeville, Jackson, Coffeyville, closer towards Citronelle and Leakesville, beginning to see more of those moderate to heavy showers. And Central and Mobile Baldwin counties just starting to see some of that right near Daphne, Spanish Fort, right along the north side of I-10 there, and also closer towards West Mobile. Our coastal areas still staying mostly quiet at this time along with the Florida Panhandle, but I am expecting that to change heading into today. We timed things out in our futurecast. Rain chances are extremely high for today. We're only going to see more of those moderate showers by the time we get closer towards lunchtime or early afternoon. Still some breaks in that rain coverage, but really the heaviest portions of some of that rain will come into play right as soon as the kids are getting out of school. Look at our Mississippi counties, Washington County, Mobile County, that yellow, orange, red coloration. So it will be wet and soggy as you're picking up the kids from school, as they're heading off the bus, and then that'll only linger heading into this evening. So sports practices tonight will likely be impacted just because we will start to see some of that rain lingering around. The fields are going to be wet and soggy and will turn much more isolated tonight, but the rain coverage continues overnight. Now, this is going to bring in some cooler weather in the wake of the system. It's just going to take today and tomorrow until we get there. Daytime highs today, it feels mild out there, upper 60s, lower 70s tomorrow. And then there's more of that cold air once again knocking us down below average and bringing in some very cold mornings. Now, I'm going to talk more about your forecast and what we're tracking for the entire week. All of those details are coming up in just a little bit. Chelsea, Joe.